Okay, taking off. I hope. She's up. Wow, nice. Very nice. That was smooth, wasn't it?
It's not pulling hard anymore.
No, dude. That was wonderful.
This might be the best Maiden ever.
Don't jinx me. I haven't landed yet.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
She's flying beautifully.
Yeah, it is.
All right, I'll do some passes over the runway. If it wants to come down. I'm at 0 throttle. It's just gliding. All right, John, I'm going to try and bring it down and do some passes over the runway. I'll try it again, I'm only not as close, so I can a little more safely dip the wing for you. Sorry, John, I tried. He didn't want to do it.
Looks good, Art.
Yeah, it does. It's flying just incredibly nice. I'm really impressed. Oh, geez, getting me with the goofy camera on my hat. I'll try and make it a lower pass, I guess.
See if you can do that again. I'll get a couple stills now.
Okay.
That's good video.
Yep.
The only video that wasn't great was
I missed
the wheels lifting off the runway.
Okay. I forgot to zero the altimeter. That's all right. All right, here we go.
Thing flies like an apprentice.
Okay.
Geez, that's a smooth flying airplane.
I am just blown away.
Yes, sir.
Just blown away. Sorry, I got a little close to you there.
Next, when you come in, just give me a little wing tip towards me so I get more to the top of the pole.
Okay. And try not to be so close to you, too.
Probably have to lose altitude before you get to the runway on that thing.
Well, I was pushing down on the stick. Todd, I was pushing down on the stick to get it to come down. It just wants to fly. Like right now, I'm 0 throttle and down elevator.
Yeah, you'll probably have to come in lower than that.
I'm really impressed with this airplane.
Yeah, I can't believe it. It's flying really good.
I'm really, really impressed.
Again,
Yep.
do a left turn. I got the underside real.
Okay, good, because I got dangerously close to the fence.
See, on the edge of the runway will be good.
Yeah, that way we got a little room to play
Yeah,
with.
so when you're making your turn, you actually start your turn
Yep.
Are you coming in? I'll tell Dave.
a little to your right.
Are you coming in?
Okay.
I'll tell Dave. Landon.
Nope, not landing.
Okay, never mind.
Not landing. Were you able to get it?
Sort of coming at me. I want to try to get one right in front of us.
Okay, yeah, I need to do that a little
Yeah.
later, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Matter of fact, it's
It's
best
trimmed out nice too,
if you
which is
come from
crazy.
almost the trees.
Yeah,
across,
at
and then
an cross.
bank right in front of
Good
you.
idea. Okay.
Land at the same time, so I'd kind of try to stagger it if you can.
Yeah, we'll stagger it.
Watch out, he's gonna come in.
Got him. All right.
Getting your underside's really good. I can't get the top yet.
Huh. Maybe just some low figure eights. Like that. Maybe that'll help.
Come from left to right and do a bank.
Okay. See, I'm thinking something like that maybe, you
That
know?
would be good, but I got to be closer. I only got a 200 on here.
Okay.
I've been looking at 400 millimeter lenses.
I have a 400. The problem I have with it is you almost need a tripod with it.
Yeah, I know it. But this is going to be it here. Turn.
Look at that slip. Wow, look at that, John. Look at that slip I'm in.
He's landing here.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, you guys landed.
Yeah, I'm about ready to land. As the wind picks up on me.
You're coming in. All right, we're landing here.
We're going to be landing right to left. There we go, John. Turning base. And turning final. Come on down, girl. Come on. Well, not that quick. Wow. Nice.
do that again.